tracking the life cycle of transaction. So you go to the site, send $16 million, and you have no clue what's happening, right? Like, okay, 15 seconds has gone. The app is not reacting in any way. When we felt that, we said, oh, we need to have an endpoint so that developers can just connect to it with a transaction ID and be informed and just hook that to a small widget, right? So it shows a padlock, a color, whatever, something that the user is reassured that the app is taking care of them, right, for transactions. So that's the lifecycle endpoint. It navigates through all the state changes because, you know, when you send a transaction, it's possible for you to send another transaction with the same nonce, which would, with a higher gas fee. So the miner, what is it going to do? Going to choose a higher gas fee. And when they put this one in, this one is sort of sent into oblivion. It's not going to be mined anytime because it had the same nonce, and nonce are monotonically incrementing. So you want to know that, right? You want your UI to be able to react to that and your users to feel good. And if they do a cancel, you know, your app with a simple stream can drive them through that.